Be careful of investing in crypto at this moment. Here's why, guys. So currently I'm on Ethereum, and what I see happening is a massive drawdown in terms of what's going to be happening in the future, in terms of where I see price heading to. So at the moment I am on the daily time frame. You can see here right now these candle over here is currently breaking this level of support around that 1.5k region. We can see that yesterday's candle closed below this support level over here, and right now it has actually broken below this wick as well. At the moment it's broken below. You can see even jumping onto the 4-hour time frame as well, just going into it a bit more further. It has broken, retested around that region as well, and it's currently going down. Right now on this 4-hour candle it does seem to be pulling back up a bit, but just be careful what's exactly happening as well. Even jumping onto the daily time frame, you can see right now the pattern is very bearish, creating those lower lows, lower highs, creating that low highs, low highs, until I see a strong level of support, possibly a double bottom pattern forming before heading up to the upside, before creating those high highs, high lows. I don't see anything happening in terms of a bullish potential, especially with Ethereum right now. So again, just resetting this chart again, going straight into closer detail in terms of what I'm seeing. Currently you can see that the support level over here is currently being broken. If today the daily time frame does stick to this sort of candle right now, there is a huge potential of this breaking this bottom wick here and then going toward this level of support right down here around that 1.5 thousand dollars right now. If you guys do future, there's a good potential of actually selling Ethereum right now, especially to down these levels here, 1.54 level to even around that 1.51 level, around this huge wick rejection here as well. And obviously once this level of support breaks over here as well around that 1.4 level, there is a huge potential of it going down to even these levels, 1.4 level. You can see right now, zooming out completely, you can see where exactly price is heading to. There was a huge amount of range here. The range broke, had a little bit of a bull trap around here, must have found a double top pattern. If you zoom down here, over here you can see that there it rejected that level over here, and obviously down here since it's just been going down and down, creating lower lows, lower highs until it is where it is at the moment. So at the moment, guys, I don't see any potential of it going up. Just be aware of where you see price heading to. Exactly, again, going to the 4-hour time frame, as I said before, it's creating these lower low, lower high patterns. Until I see a higher low or lower low being formed, I don't see any potential of any bullish momentum happening right now, especially for the long-term holdings. So just be aware of where exactly it is. You see that 1.6 level as well, trying to be broken around last week but failing to do so. If there was a candle above, I do see a good potential of having a little bit of a bull run towards around the 1.7, 1.8 level over here. You can see that the 1.6, if that was broken, there's a good chance of that resistance being broken and going to around that 1.64 before breaking these level resistances over here and going up to that 1.7 level here. But then of course, then after that, you can see that if this level over here is broken, there's a good chance of going to around that 1.8k level around here, these level of supports, and then breaking these levels, going up towards those highs around here, around that 1.9 level. Until this major range over here is broken, there's no chance of it going upwards towards down here. So what I see in terms of a bull run is either a bit of a range down here before a potential upbreak and before a retest on the resistance level before going up to that 2k region. Until then, I do not see that happening. All I can see right now is a bearish momentum happening right here. So just be careful. As I said, this support level here, this major support level around that 1.582 level was broken. So just be careful of the next daily candle. If it does break these levels, there's a good chance of it going down to here around about 1.54 level. And if this level is broken as well, there's a good chance of it going all the way down to around that 1.4k region. So just be aware of exactly what it's heading to. So hopefully, guys, this gives you a quick sum up of exactly where Ethereum is heading to in terms of Ethereum and in terms of other crypto as well, because this will be mimicked across everything as well. So just be careful where you want to place your positions. Maybe hold out for a while as well, but just make sure you guys always do your own research and see where you see price heading to. So guys, just make sure you like, subscribe, and give a comment down below so I can see what you guys are up to as well. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.